In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate your US taxes. So if you're about to get paid by YouTube and then they are telling you they are going to take some taxes which is for the US, I'm going to show you how to calculate that so you get to know the amount of money they can take from your money, something like that. So if you have a lot of viewers from the US, it means they are going to take a lot of money from you. But then if you have less viewers, it means you're going to take less money from you. So to do this, let's just hop on our YouTube studio here, analytics, and then we move to revenue, and then we move to advanced, and then let's hop on this page like this. So on here we move to geography here, and then we choose this here, and then we choose revenue here, something like that. So you can see you have this revenue bar on this side. So look at the countries. US, you can see I'm making a lot of money from the US. That's $17, and they are saying the taxes for the US is 30% if you are outside US, and if you are in the US it's 24%. So you can see on my screen here, this is from YouTube, this is their website, you can look at the URL there. So it's 30% if you're outside, 24 if you are in the US, something like that. But then for some countries, they are saying if your country has a tax treaty with the US, you're going to take less money from your money you earned. But then for where I'm from, there is no tax treaty, so they take me like 25 to 30%. So to calculate this, let's just hop on our calculator here. So they are saying I got 17, let me do it $17.5. So $17.5. So sorry, $17.5. So divided by 100. And they are saying they are going to take me 30% because I'm outside. So it means they are going to take $5.25. So minus 5.25. So 17.5 minus 5.25. It means I'm going to get 12.25 of the $17 I made from the US. So then that's it on how to calculate your US taxes. So let's say you made, don't be using this money to calculate. This is your estimated revenue. You'll be using the US. Good. So like this, if it's 17, you can deduct 17 from this 89, and then you have the rest of the country's earnings. So let's say you got $500 like this, and you earned $300 from the US alone. So divided by 100, this is some little mass. Let me come back. Divided by 100, and then 30%. So it's 90. You get it. They are going to take $90 from your $300. So you have 300 and you take out 90, you'll be left with 210. So now you have $200 left out of your $500 earnings. And then you add your 210. So instead of you getting the $500, they are going to take $90 out of your money because of the US taxes. So this is how you calculate your US taxes if you're about to get paid by YouTube. So if you are contemplating on the amount of money they're going to deduct, just hop on your YouTube studio and do these calculations. You get to know the amount of money they're going to take from your money. So that's it. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.